Hello, my name is Savannah Aziz, and for my English 231 final project, I had the opportunity to treat 6 pages from an article that talked about the movie Her. Throughout these slides, I will showcase the ways in which I went about treating the pages to create the final products that you will be shown. For my concept and theme, I focused on maintaining recurring elements from the movie. The objective I had during the process was to make sure that I made the pages high quality to resemble the work of Tom Phillips. The inscription technology I used was my iPad and Apple Pencil with the PhotoFox app. My first treated page reads, "Love a man who is ramped up in love." Right off the bat, I noticed the words ramped up and love. From there, I was able to see the repetition of the word love, which correlated to the plot, such as when Theodore was infatuated with Samantha. I then found an image that expressed a man deeply in love while also making sure it was a painting. Here is my first close-up of the image. I chose to focus on the word love as I made sure the image I chose fell in line with the words that best correlated with them. Therefore, the word love is directly in front of the man with his wife and child on his back. This image helps enhance the meaning behind the word love, so those looking at it are able to understand the type of love being talked about. This is my second close-up of page 1. I decided to zoom in on the words, "a man who is ramped up," because in the image, the man is carrying his family on his back, which is physical exertion, showing the force he's having to use to carry them, expressing how ramped up he is, which is a double entendre for the meaning of the words, as it can be interpreted as either physical or emotional. For page 2, I noticed the words video game and wanted to create the sentence from there. I was then able to create "own cheerfully a video game" and connect. Online people are able to connect with online friends, helping them form connections. This is seen in the movie when Theodore interacts with the angry creature in his game, which provided him with an emotional connection. In this first close-up, I chose to focus on the initial words that first caught my attention, video game. It led me to finding the beautiful painting of a game controller for my background. This correlated perfectly with the theme I wanted to keep as well. For my second close-up, I have a close-up of the words "and connect," which is referring to people connecting online and with one another, which is seen within the movie. This close-up shows the process of actually creating the page as I tried to replicate the style of the humanite in the ways he singled out the words and used pathways. This page was the most representative of the movies as I used the operating system's loading screen as the background for the words to read, "Two pals love the operating system." Within the movie, we saw 2 friends fall in love with their operating system, and I found it amazing that I was able to find words that represented that relationship. In my first close-up, I focused on the chunk text, "Two pals," because we saw the process of Theodore and his friend Amy fall in love. Even though we know that Hundred had the same path, the movie centered mainly around the two and their friendship and relationship throughout the movie. In my second close-up, I focus on the second half of the sentence, "love the operating system." Since this was the main part of the entire movie, it was also the inspiration for the background that I chose, as I loved the way it looked, even though it was not like the other images that I used that were paintings. On page 4, it reads, "Unlike movies, a story of the depressed crave a relationship yet unable to meet." This was the image that I decided to begin showing the negatives of the movie and a more gloomy take on the project. The background highlights this as well, since it is a man sitting alone on a bench in the dark with a single light overtop him. Within my first close-up, I chose the chunk text, "The depressed crave a relationship." This was when I knew that I would be able to find something that represented the way Theodore felt in the beginning of the movie when he was lonely due to his recent breakup. It also shows the man sitting alone right beside the words, which was a key factor when choosing the image to insert for the background. The second close-up shows the words, "yet unable to meet," because although someone may be lonely, it can be hard to find a person that fills the void they have within them. This also helped me in creating the gloomy tone within the page as I ensured the image showed a vacant street with plenty of space left on the bench for someone to join him. For page 5, it reads, "Ultimately, others need to grow up. It's jealousy and abandon." I set out to find an image that showed a woman in the background staring longingly at the couple that seemed to be together in front of her. For the first close-up image, I zoomed in to focus on the background more, to show the woman that was in the background behind the couple, and to show the way that she was looking at the couple, especially the man, who was staring at his assumed lover. It emphasized the meaning of the sentence greatly, as it was a perfect representation of a person being jealous due to being abandoned by someone they care about. For my second point, I found it best to focus on the words "and abandoned" because many people suffer from jealousy due to being abandoned at a young age, which ties it back to the beginning of the inscription, which reads, "Others need to grow up," meaning to move past and overcome their previous obstacles in life. For my personal favorite, page 6, it reads, "Break up with hard copies and trust the system." This page is my favorite because it shows a cyborg boundary of machine and human, and I feel it best correlates to the main character's lifestyle as he is surrounded and captivated by technology and his operating system. I was then able to find an amazing picture of a human skull that was connected by a surge protector, seemingly connecting the two people, empowering their minds. For this first point, I also chose to focus on these words because through the movie, although books and papers are still existent, they're in the background while technology shines in the foreground. This is also the best use of nonlinear reading paths within the page. In my second close-up, I zoomed in on the sections, "the system," and chose this part because I feel that, within the movie, the system leads the path that everyone then follows. The system powers their thoughts and actions. This image also focused on the outlets that have the skull plugged in that is providing all the power to the brain. That is my final project for English 231. Thank you.